Hey guys, welcome to the next episode. Today I'm going to show you how to stake Cosmos or Atom using Kepler Wallet. And before we begin, remember that in the description of every video you will find a link to Telegram group, so I hope you will join the discussion over there. And now let's start. In order to stake Atom, we will need Kepler Wallet. If you don't have Kepler Wallet, you can check my other video where I explained how to install and configure Kepler Wallet. And if you already have it, then you should see the icon in the right top corner of your web browser, so just click on it, make sure that you're logged into your Kepler Wallet. And then over here you should see the balance of your Cosmos on your wallet. If you don't have any Cosmos here, you can send it to this address that you will see up here. Just click on it to copy the address and send your Cosmos over here. You can also use Kepler Wallet to store other cryptos like Kava, Secret Network or Akash. But in this tutorial we will stick to Cosmos. So once you have Cosmos on Kepler Wallet, all you need to do is scroll a little bit down and over here you will see Stake. So let's hit on the button that says Stake. And this should open a separate tab with all the validators for Cosmos staking. If this didn't happen, then on the left side over here, you would have to click on Cosmos and then stake. So once this page opens, up here we will see in which validator are we staking at the moment, what is the amount of staked Atom at the moment, and what is the pending reward. Down here we will see all the available validators. So when you are picking validator, make sure that you pick the one with a commission that is acceptable for you, because this is commission that validator will be charging. So in this example, I'm just going to choose Cosmos Station. As you can see, the commission is 8.9%. So I'm just gonna hit manage. Once we do this, we can hit delegate. And then very important information, staking will lock your funds for 21 plus days, because once we start staking, in order to unstake our tokens, it will take 21 days to complete. So have that in mind that your funds will be locked for at least 21 days. And then down here we can input how much Atom you would like to stake. So I'm just going to put 10 Atom. I'm gonna hit delegate. As soon as we do this, there should be a pop-up window showing up like we can see when using MetaMask. So over here we can choose the gas fee that we would like to pay and then hit approve. And once this transaction is approved, our atoms will already be staked with the validator we chose. So let me go up here, and as you can see, my amount staked was already increased by 10, so right now I'm staking 66 Atom with Cosmos Station. And that would be it for today. Please let me know in the comments if you managed to stake your Atom, and remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.